Smart shaming, the silent killer of curiosity. Good day everyone, my name is Gian Paulo Sigalmerin and I am a student of BSI 2A. Have you ever been told to stop trying too hard or maybe heard the term pabida? It happens almost every day and it is something we need to talk about. The topic of my speech today is the common and damaging issue of smart shaming. So, what exactly is smart shaming? It's the act of making someone feel inferior, awkward, or mocked simply for sharing or showing their intelligence, speaking correctly, or sharing knowledge. It is when intellectual curiosity is met with phrases like, "Sino nagtanong? Nosebleed ako sa'yo," or "Hala, English." It is often masked as harmless teasing or humor, but at its core, smart shaming is an attack on the very act of trying. It is a toxic social phenomenon that discourages excellence and promotes mediocrity. It tells people, don't be too smart, don't stand out, just fit in. The consequences of smart shaming extend far beyond hurt feelings. It creates a chilling effect in our classroom and communities. When we constantly belittle the intellectual effort of others, we teach students that it is safer to be silent than to be correct. Imagine a student who knows the answer but stays quiet for fear of being called a know-it-all. Imagine a child who stops reading advanced books because their classmates mock their vocabulary. We are punishing them for being engaged, for striving for knowledge, and for seeking to improve themselves. This behavior doesn't just stop people from speaking, it makes them stop thinking and stop asking. It lowers the collective bar for what we consider acceptable effort, replacing ambition with a fear of being judged. It is the silent killer of intellectual curiosity. The good news is that we have the power to change this culture. The solution to smart shaming is simple. Celebrate knowledge. Instead of preaching for a sarcastic comment, let's choose acknowledgement. When someone shares an insightful idea, respond with, "That's interesting," or "Thank you for sharing that." We need to normalize and celebrate effort, deep thought, and academic achievement. Let's encourage ourselves and others to ask the hard questions, to use the right words, and to pursue learning without reservation. Let us transform our classroom from places of intellectual fear into spaces of intellectual excitement. Remember, smartness is not a thing to be kept or made fun of. It is a light meant to be shared. Let's commit today to extinguish the shame and ignite the curiosity in ourselves and everyone around us. Thank you.